So as a mortgage broker, I can do purchases, renewal, refinances, switch, transfers.
A bank may say yes or no. It's a straight yes or no.
We offer a free service. It's always a better option to check out what's there in the market.
Jay goes that extra mile to find a way.
Jay Patel. Jay Patel is a highly regarded residential and commercial mortgage broker based in Charlottetown, Prince Edward Island.
There is certainly different programs for self-employed people to get a mortgage.
Timing is essential in real estate.
If individuals follows this advices, they would have a stress-free home buying process.
I'm Zenaida Saldanha with Century 21 Northumberland on PEI. And I'm here today with Jay Patel in the house today from Centum Mortgage Partners. Thank you, Jay, for being with us.
Good evening, Zenaida. Thank you for having me. It's been a pleasure of being here.
We've actually worked on a few clients over the past 2.5 years. It has been a great success story for each one of them.
Yeah, it's a pleasure to work with them alongside too.
I invited Jay because a lot of clients are often asking questions about the pre-approval and the mortgage process. We're here to kind of see how best we can collaborate to answer those questions.
Today we will cover the basic need and the challenges that every first-time home buyer is facing on, and will answer that what they should be need in process or should be prepared well before they start their house hunting. If individuals follows this advices, they would have a stress-free home buying process.
While applying for the pre-approval process, there is the straight method of directly going to a bank, or one could approach a mortgage broker. We're here to understand what are the benefits of working with a mortgage broker.
The difference between a specialist and a broker. They work for a bank, so that's why they are mortgage specialists. We are mortgage broker.
Okay.
Because the specialist would, let's say, if you are talking about TD Bank, then it would be just offering TD mortgages.
Right.
But as a broker,
Yes.
I can get you TD, BMO, RBC through a wide spectrum.
What type of mortgage products do you offer clients here on PEI? And who are the lenders that you deal with?
So as a mortgage broker, I can do purchases, renewal, refinances, switch, transfers, as well as the commercial mortgages for business clients. We have across 40 plus lenders that we can select it for the client as per their needs. Apart from the top 6 banks, there are also monoline lenders which are existing and which are lending in PEI, sometimes at better rates than banks. So it's always a better option to check out what's there in the market. And as a mortgage broker, we offer a free services. So, we don't charge anything to the clients, but any client coming can have a variety of options and they can select it.
What is the process? In fact, for most buyers who are first-time buyers, etc., what is the process that they should follow in order to get their pre-approval in order to buy a property on PE?
Any clients or any of the first-time home buyers who are willing to start their buying home process, they should first reach out to a mortgage broker and should go through the pre-approval process. In pre-approval process, we do ask for their income documents and some tax returns, and so to make sure that there is what is the range that they get qualified for their home buying. Because you don't want to go look at the home first and then you go check, oh, am I able to afford that home or not? So rather than that, I encourage to every single one to first go do your pre-approval, and on basis of that, go start looking your house hunt.
Certainly. Any red flags or any advice that you would give to people who are coming in for a pre-approval process, especially in terms of loans or having car loans or other things?
See, first of all, I would say manage your expenses pretty well. You don't want to be late on paying your phone bills or late payments in your car or anything, or in your credit cards, because all this goes along dings you against your credit, which gets your credit score low. Certainly not having a car payment is always in favor of the clients to get into a larger home, as well as because that will give them more options.
What are the local programs in PEI that first-time home buyers can benefit whilst buying their first home?
Currently in PEI, there is the government of Prince Edward Island is doing a PEI down payment assistance program for the first-time home buyers, where they are giving 5% down payment for a homes up to $350,000. And also they are giving the closing cost support program, where they refund some of your closing cost.
Yes, yes, of course. And to that point, I would say timing is very important in real estate, right? So, to that extent, buyers should therefore be pre qualified or pre approved already, so that when the time is right with the low mortgage rates, with the first time home buyer, with the down payment assistance programs, etc., they should be in a position to be able to make that leap at the right time.
Certainly, individuals, first time home buyer, don't know that any pre approvals they do it with a mortgage broker or with their bank, it's valid for 90 to 120 days, right? So that is also benefit of holding your current rate of interest. And technically, if you hold your current rate of interest and you are buying a home after 90 within 60 days, and that time if the rates are lower, you still get benefit to get that lower rate, because if you know that you can afford this home, you can confidently go and get your dream home, whatever you want to start with.
Many self-employed individuals think that they might not be liable to a mortgage, or they may not receive a mortgage.
No, that is completely wrong. I would say there are self-employed programs that they can also qualify for a mortgage. Yes, they don't follow the traditional way to qualify for a mortgage, but there is certainly different programs for self-employed people to get a mortgage.
So that was some great piece of valuable advice for first-time home buyers, as well as buyers looking for a property in PEI and in the market in general. Thank you, Jay.
Thank you, Zenaida. So as we've gone through, right, please keep your debts payments on time. Do not take more debts. And please maintain your credit score and start saving up money for your first home.
So connect with me to get started, and I would be happy to connect you with Jay Patel to help with any of your mortgage requirements.
Thank you, Zenaida.